Hey Instagram, hey YouTube. Just what I've been jamming on lately. First pressing of Guns N' Roses' Appetite for Destruction, still in the shrink. It's got the band inner sleeve. I don't know what it's band. Kiss Creatures of the Night, to me their best album. Really heavy, got the glow in the dark eyes on it. Creatures of the Night, Keep Me Coming, Rock and Roll Hell, I Love It Loud, I Still Love You, War Machine, just great album. Got some Van Halen, um, limited edition colored vinyl for Unlawful Carnal Knowledge, FUCK. Great, just I don't know if there's a bad song on this album. It's red vinyl. Uh, Of course, we got some double album from Led Zeppelin, Physical Graffiti. Um, yeah, it's a great album. It's my favorite, probably my favorite Led Zeppelin album. It's got Cashmere and everything else on it. Jamming out to that. Got some Black Sabbath Paranoid, first pressing. It's got a little bit of, like wear, a little bit of a ring around it, but, it's got War Pigs, Paranoid, Plant Caravan, Iron Man, Electric Funeral, Rat Salad, Hand of Doom, Fairies Wear Boots. It's chock full of hits for them. It's first pressing of Black Sabbath, their debut album. It's got Black Sabbath, The Wizard, Behind the Wall of Sleep, basically NIB, Wicked World. This is a great album. Great album. Black Sabbath, Master of Reality. First pressing. Favorite song of this is probably Into the Void. It's just a great song. But it's also got Sweet Leaf, After Forever, Children of the Grave. Great album by them. Uh, Love me some Black Sabbath. Got a live album. Black Sabbath Live Evil with Ronnie James Dio. Double album, got like all these great hits. Just, you know, it's an absolute awesome album. Tony Iommi lead guitar, Geezer Butler bass guitar, Ronnie Dio vocals, and it's just great. Um, Live Evil. It's in pretty good shape, first pressing. Um, this is a great album, really heavy album. This is this is Dio, Holy Diver Live. It's so good and heavy, and it's 3 discs. It's got all this and that. It's got like 3 discs, and they're just all just heavy as all get out, and it's a great album. It's a triple album. It's got like Stand Up and Shout, Holy Diver, Gypsy, Caught in the Middle, Don't Talk to Strangers, Straight to the Heart, Rainbow in the Dark, Shame on the Night, which is a great jam. Guitar solo, which is awesome. Uh, the guitarist on this album, I can't think of his name right now, but he is the shit. Holy Diver, Sign of the Southern Cross, One Night in the City, Heaven and Hell, Man on the Silver Mountain, Long Live Rock and Roll, We Rock. Just a great album. I got some Ozzy. Let's see. Oops, taking off the cover. The Ultimate Sin. Great album by him. It's right after Randy Rhoads died. And, got some Jakey Lee action. Lightning Strikes, Killer Giants, Thank God for the Bomb, Shot in the Dark, The Ultimate Sin, Fool Like You. Great album. Maybe my favorite Ozzy album is a first pressing 2. So was The Ultimate Sin. Ozzy Osbourne, Randy Rhoads tribute. It's just a great album through and through. Just great. I don't know. Crazy Train, Believer, Mr. Crowley, Flying High Again, Revelation, Mother Earth, Still Away the Night, Suicide Solution with guitar solo, Iron Man, Children of the Grave, Paranoid, Goodbye to Romance, Snowball Movies, and D with the Randy Rhoads studio outtakes. It's just a great album. It sounds great live. They did a great job. And that's all I've got for today. Thanks for subscribing, YouTube. Thanks for liking. Thanks for watching. And yeah, rock on.